Hello classmates, my name is Tina Gote and this is my personal bio. I'm working towards the completion of my bachelor's degree in public safety administration with a secondary in supervision and management. I have an associate's degree in both early childhood education and criminal justice technology earned here at FSW, and I have 20-year background in human resource management. I believe a strong educational foundation is the key to community progress. I have made a career change and I'm working as an elementary school English teacher. My hope is to combine my experience and knowledge in service to others working for a government agency like FEMA in recovery efforts to restore education services for communities that have been devastated by disasters, reestablishing foundations for education to withstand future threats. I look forward to working through this course, learning with each of you leadership strategies that can support the development of skills that can contribute to effective and efficient management processes that can benefit all. I believe that in marketing, you learn to attract support, and I'm hoping to use some of these skills and learning how to network and basically appeal to different agencies to gather the support needed to create better foundations for the education field in this capacity. Thank you so much. I look forward to working and learning from each of you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.